Hi guys, this is our first
Good
vlog.
morning na.
It's Sunday morning. Let's go to church. Gisingin natin si baby. Ayan, at ayaw pa magising. Tingnan natin at medyo makulimlim pa. Ngayon yata aalis ang bagyo. Ayan, makulimlim pa. Good morning, Ahaba. Good morning. It's Sunday morning. We'll go to church. Ayan na nga guys, nag-taxi na nga kami kasi late na kami sa church at wala kami masakyan jeep. Tulog na nga si baby ulit. Nakatulog sa taxi. At ayan na nga, traffic pa. Sana makaabot kami sa praise and worship. Dumating na nga kami sa church. Ayan, at nagmamadali na rin kami umakyat. Baby.
Physicians. Okay? So marami na po siyang experiences with different doctors, different people. But what's good about her is that she still came to Jesus. Pero tayo, kapatid, most of the time, ayaw na natin mag-try ulit, ayaw na natin humingi ulit because may bad experience na tayo nun. And naging ganun yung mindset nila. So, pagka yung pool, iikot, unahan sila, unahan sila. And it was because of a good experience. Listen. Baka nakatikim sila ng napakaganda. Nakatikim sila ng isang blessing, nag-settle na sila doon. And little did this man know, kapatid, it was not what God has prepared for him. Because Jesus was gonna pass by. And kapatid, na-break po yung utak niya, na-break yung mindset niya because of an experience. Pero church, see, when Jesus passed by, napagaling niya. Napagaling siya. And he received his greatest miracle yet. Kapatid, baka nililimit mo yung kayang gawin ng Lord para sa buhay.
After nga ng church, sinamahan namin sa ito na nga si Ahaba. After ng church, may merienda siya na Cerelac. Ayan na. Ay. Ha. Yum, yum, yum. Mm. Yum, 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 yum. Ayan na nga, tulog na nga si baby Ahaba. Pagod na siya the whole day. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you again in the next vlog.